Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today, we explore how to create business poster texture using render clouds in Photoshop. I open Photoshop and load a clean business poster layout. I pause because texture must support message. I create a new layer and reset colors. I apply render clouds. I watch the texture form naturally. I reduce opacity immediately. Business design needs control. I apply a soft mask to remove clouds from text areas. I adjust levels gently. The poster now feels premium. I zoom out and imagine this on a wall or social feed. The texture adds